Magbibisbis tayo ng halaman kasi dapat unahan ko si Mamingka. Alam ko kasi magbibisbis siya ng halaman, kaya bago niya madampot tong bucket ito, kailangan maunahan ko na siya.
Malo, paano na pesca? Dobre, baru sila tu. Tak, dobre. Если это с томатом.
Kasi dalawa lang kami rito. Si Helen, si Milan, si Hana nasa work. So at least si Mamingka may kasama uli sa bahay. Diba? At tingnan nyo kung nung wala ako rito, ang kinatakot ni Hana yung talagang madapa siya. Kasi hindi mo mai-stop siya. Talagang gagawa at gagawa ng isang bagay. Kaya pag madapa o matumba, iniiwasan yun na baka yung injury. Okay? So nakapagbisbis na ako rito sa harapan. Another delivery natin. So whey protein to. Ito yung in-order ko na whey protein na 3 kilogram. Yun. Lalaki. Oh, lalaki. Isang ganito, 1 kilo. Isa. Oh. Dalawa. Yun. Oh, Night Native Protein Chocolate. Isa. 3. Ayan. Ha? Lagyan natin tong box dito. O, ayan. 3. O, binili kong bago. Masarap to pag ihalo mo siya sa mag-breakfast ka. So, isang scoop nito sa breakfast. Siyempre, alam nyo na, gumagawa ko ng sarili kong cake. Ayun, binuksan ko na. Hinalo ko rito sa aking breakfast yogurt. Yung yogurt na to is Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. So, protina din. Tapos, 2 scoop nito, which is 30 grams. So, sa 30 grams niya, makakuha ka ng 25 grams na protein. Tapos, mixed berries. So, yan. Healthy breakfast, di ba? Yan lang tayo. Kain muna tayo. 2 lang kami ngayon ni Mamingka rito. Tapos, ang aking nilutong chicken breasts sa air fryer. Yan o. Sarap. So, yan ang panangalian ko mamaya. Siyempre with veg, with sauerkraut, gherkins, tomato. Yan lang. Ulit-ulit ang aking kinakain araw-araw. So, magiging healthy tayo para ayos ang dating. So, breakfast muna tayo para okay yung dating, may lakas. Kasi maglilinis pa ako ng bahay. Thursday ngayon eh. So, time to linis ng bahay. Kauwi lang ni Hana. So, are we going to do barbecue on Sunday? Saturday? Sunday gusto nila mag-barbecue ngayong weekends. So, sabi ko Saturday, busy dito. Kasi sa Saturday ko operasyonan. Sabi ko parang alanganin Saturday ha. Dapat Sunday afternoon. Yung wala nang ginagawa. Pero tingnan na nila kung anong magandang sitwasyon. Tsaka Sunday si Sofia darating ng gabi.
Tag na yun, no?
Nag-harvest ako ng gherkins, oh. Oh, sabi ni Mamingka kung ano yung makita ko na maljaw malaki-laki. Iubusin ko na. Ito, oh.
Потім де пташак?
Dobre, no?
Йо. То все виходить, wszystko tu.
Oh, wow. Here is big, oh. Oh, wow. Kasi pag hindi ka gumamit ng gloves ito matinik-tinik to, oh.
No a dobre, bierzesz, znam się to. Dobre.
Wow.
No a już bierz.
Titinik ako, ah.
Ryczku jako, bo to wszystko.
Dami. Dami malaki, oh. Enough?
Dobre już, dobre.
Hmm.
Niech nie to doróż, tak, a tu wiem, do
So,
doleniczki na idlo.
okay. Kailan din, oh. Nag-operation kami dalawa ni Hana rito, oh. Yan. Ako ang taga-pala. Tapos dinadala ko rito si Hana ang taga-pino. Sinasala namin. Yan. Madami-dami pang gawain to. Yun pa, oh. So ito yung mga lupa na nahukay at kinakalat ngayon namin dito sa garden. Alas 6 na. So hindi pa nagpapahinga si Hana. Pira. Kanina pa kami bumibira rito. Yan. Dami pang gawain dito. Abutin pa to ng ilang buwan to. Oh. Kakalat pa yun doon. Doon. Time is 7:45 ng gabi. May sikat pa rin ang araw. Pero katatapos lang namin ni Hana magtrabaho doon. Kailangan overtimean. Kasi magandang panahon. At masarap magtrabaho habang nagkukwentuhan. So, masarap magkwentuhan habang nagtatrabaho. Yan pala ang exact word. Wow, first time Hana will use the dishwasher. And first time as well for me, because I really don't know how to use this. Because you know, when you grow up in the province, in the village life, you don't have this. You do manual. Yeah. Pero sanay na to si Hana kasi sa taas meron sila. Doon kina Helen. Ganun lang pala ito, paglalagay niyan. Then, like, how many minutes? Like 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Then, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get the bowl, Maminka's bowl.
Okay. Show me how to set this up. So I don't need you anymore next time. Okay, what's that?
Here is a tablet. It's
Ah,
like
you
a
put the
washing
tablet-
liquid and everything together. You close it,
Ah, okay.
and then you set up.
How you
Switch
switch
it on.
Switch it on?
And
Yeah.
there's a program. It's
Okay.
an eco, and then by pressing this,
Uh-huh.
you changing the program.
Okay.
So this is the temperature.
For okay, which program I should be?
So I did the this 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, and then you're gonna press this one. But I didn't press it yet because I'll go for more dishes. Helen has the dishes.
Okay, so after that, if you're ready, press this one and close.
Yeah.
Oh, hirap talaga itong laking bukid ka, no? Wala dito sa amin eh. Oh. Yan. At least, tuwang-tuwa si Sophia nung malaman niyang may dishwasher eh. Why you bought so much crisp and chocolates?
Sunday.
Sunday? Why? What's in there in Sunday?
We're gonna have a barbecue.
Okay. But Sophia hasn't come yet.
Yeah, we're gonna have the end of the August barbecue.
What time she will arrive on Sunday?
Maybe she gonna catch up with our barbecue.
Approximately what time she arrives?
I don't know yet. They said evening.
Okay.
Oh, so she will not catch up because I wanna do it. Helen has work, so I wanna treat her for lunch.
Helen? In here or restaurant?
Okay, barbecue.
So, quiet home. Wala dito si Sophia eh. Yung presence niya nakakamiss. So, it's Friday today. Umuwi siya ng Monday. Nakakamiss talaga na. Feeling iba talaga yung wala siya. Panay yung text namin sa kanya. Kailang busy talaga siya. Palagi siya nasa swimming pool. And her time was like sleeping, eating. And then, ang ginagawa niya, bago siya kakain, magte-text. Bago siya matutulog o mag-take nap, magte-text. Sinasabi niya lang na, Tatay, Mommy, I'm okay here. I'm having some fun here with my friends. And then, we're going now to pool for some trainings. And then she just texted me a while ago. And she said that they're going for a nap. Rest.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go upstairs to change, yeah?
Yeah, okay. And I said like, okay, just enjoy your time and come home safely on a Sunday. Yeah. So that's all our update for today. See you maybe when Sophia comes home.